TikTok's algorithm has recently updated, and if you don't change the times that you're posting, how long you're making your videos, what hashtags you're using, and so many other factors, you are going to see a massive decrease in the amount of views and the amount of followers that you're getting. That being said, if you do make the changes that I share with you in this video, you will see massive results. All these creators up on the screen right now have gained over 100,000 followers in just the last 7 days alone by taking advantage of the algorithm change, and you can do the same exact thing because you need to understand something. Right now, if you're giving the TikTok algorithm what it wants, it's the easiest time ever to grow on TikTok. For starters, you should be focused on using only a couple of sounds on TikTok right now. You need to understand something. You should only be using sounds that have between 5,000 and 500,000 videos made to them, and sounds with over 1 million videos made to them. The reason being is that if you're using a sound that has less than 5,000 videos made to it, it is not a trend yet. It is probably not going to become a trend. There are way more sounds with less than 5,000 videos made to them than any other type of sound on the app. So the odds of you actually finding one that's going to be going viral are slim to none. So please, only use trending sounds that have between 5,000, 500,000 videos made, and then sounds with over 1 million videos made, because 500K to 1 million, that's another area where a ton of sounds go to die. That is where they die off as trends, and you're not actually going to be able to tell whether or not something is trending unless you're staying really close to the pulse of whether or not it's actually trending. So the easiest thing to do, stick to sounds that have between 5,000 videos to 500,000 videos and over 1 million videos made to them. But I will warn you, before you actually use any type of sound on the app, you need to make sure of a few things, or it's going to kill the amount of views that you're getting and honestly the momentum that you have on TikTok. But before I share that with you, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. Please take advantage of me, text me. My phone number is right here. I want you to hit me up. I want you to tell me all about your TikTok and how I can help you grow, because I literally quit my job working with Gary Vee to help you grow on TikTok. So please text me, hit me up. I cannot wait to help you grow. In addition to that, I created a free TikTok growth course that's going to give you a ton of information about how to turn your viewers into followers, because I'm not going to be able to cover that in this video. So please get it at the link in the pinned comment below. Right now it's 100% free, but it will cost over $300 in the future. So get this information for free right now. I strongly suggest you check it out. So, when you're actually looking at a sound and seeing whether or not you're going to be using it correctly, you need to look at the other videos that were made under that sound, in specific the top videos, and you're going to notice something. They all have the same kind of hook. They all have the same kind of topic. They all have the same kind of format. If your video does not hit those criteria, your video is not going to do well. The sound is going to be a total waste of time, and you're going to think, I don't know what I'm talking about, which is completely inaccurate. That's why everybody on the screen right now has literally gained over 10,000 followers, again, in just the last 7 days. There's over 10 people on the screen. I've helped so many people grow on TikTok, and you're going to be next if you're using the right sounds and following everything else that this current TikTok algorithm wants you to do, which we're about to get into. But before I get into that, I do want to answer 2 common questions that I get. 1, no, you should not have a business account. Yes, Karen, I get it. You have a small business or you have an affiliate offer, but you need to understand something. Having a business account prevents you from using viral sounds on TikTok. Not using viral sounds on TikTok means that you're not going to grow. That means nobody's going to get your affiliate offer or interact with your small business. And to make things even better, if you're a creator account or you're a regular account, you get a link in your bio after getting 1,000 followers. Now you need to understand something, and I don't mean to offend anybody here. Nobody is buying your shit if you don't have more than 1,000 followers on TikTok. Why? Because honestly, you're going to get no views on your videos. Nobody's going to trust you. So stop holding yourself back by having a business account, use a creator account, and boom, you do that, and then you get successful. And then maybe if you want, you can switch to a business account to set up a shop or something like that. In the beginning, have a creator account, have a regular account, and it's going to help you grow so much faster. And when it comes to using trending sounds, yes, you can have the volume at 0 and still get the same exact effect. The only thing that TikTok is actually looking for is that the sound is attached to the video. So attach the sound to the video and put the volume to 0 if you don't like cuss words or don't like something that somebody says in the lyrics. Now I will warn you, just using the right sound, yes, it is going to help you with this latest TikTok algorithm, but it's not everything. You also need to make sure that you're using the right hashtags. In specific, there are 3 types of hashtags you could be using on TikTok right now. Broad hashtags, trending hashtags, niche, or post-specific hashtags. All of these are different. Broad hashtags are things like hashtag FYP, hashtag trending, hashtag viral. Trending hashtags are going to be the hashtags that you find on the Discover page. And niche-specific or post-specific hashtags are going to be the hashtags that come up when you search for the topic that you're about to be posting about. Now, I do have a full-length video on the best hashtags to use, how TikTok actually uses hashtags, but I don't have time to explain all of that in this video. So for the sake of this video, I want you guys to start using 2 broad hashtags, 2 niche-specific hashtags in your posts, and make sure that you understand that there are 4 other hashtag strategies that you need to be implementing. Again, I created a full-length video on this. If you want to watch it after this, I'll link out to it at the end, or just search TikTok hashtags on YouTube and you'll see my video show up number 1. The reason that I suggest you guys use that strategy out of all the strategies is because the majority of viral videos on TikTok actually use 2 broad hashtags and 2 niche or post-specific hashtags. That being said, just using the right hashtag strategy is not enough. This is where a lot of creators go wrong. You need to understand something. You need to be giving the TikTok algorithm exactly what it wants. You need to be ultimately pleasing the TikTok algorithm. Now you're probably wondering, Rob, how on earth can I please the TikTok algorithm? I can barely please my significant other. Well, you need to understand something. The TikTok algorithm is a lot easier to please than your significant other, and it really only cares about 3 things. All the TikTok algorithm wants you to give it is content that looks like something that somebody has already watched, in specific, a large audience. 2, it wants videos that keep people on the app. And 3, it wants videos that keep people satisfied. Now you're probably wondering, Rob, how does TikTok know whether or not somebody was happy after watching your video? The number one thing that you can show them is that 1, somebody followed you after watching your video, or 2, they used the repost feature on your video after watching it. So many people are focused on getting people to like, getting people to comment, getting people to share. Stop focusing on those. The only 2 call to actions you should have in your videos is getting somebody to follow at the end of your video or getting somebody to repost that video. If you can get somebody to repost it, ideally that video will start going viral. If you can get people to follow, again, that video is going to go viral. But you want to make sure that these call to actions come in the last 3 seconds of the video, because if they come in earlier, nobody's going to take action on them. And when they come at the end, you can actually do a really good job of tailoring that call to action to exactly the mindset that that person would be in. For example, if you were a fitness creator and you made a piece of content about how to lose 10 pounds in 7 days, well then guess what? A simple call to action at the end would be repost if you want to lose 10 pounds, or click plus if you're going to lose weight, or click plus if you want to lose weight. The reason that you're going to be able to do that is because you already know the mindset the person's in. They're not focused on their diet. They're not focused on how much water they're drinking. They're not focused on how much they're working out. They're focused on trying to lose weight. So that's exactly what your call to action should be around. Now, when it comes to creating content that TikTok knows they have an audience for, you guys need to understand something. If your video is not based off of something, and when I say based off of it, I mean the hook, the topic, the piece of content, the length, the sound being used. If it is not based off a video that is trending within your niche in the last 7 to 30 days, well then you need to understand something. The video is not going to go anywhere. I would strongly suggest not even posting the video. Instead, go do more research, come up with a better video idea so that you can then post that. And no, Timmy, I am not telling you to be unoriginal. I'm simply telling you to pick topics, pick hooks, pick post lengths and sounds that are already trending on TikTok to make your job 100 times easier. Your job on TikTok should not be to create this amazing content that then gets pushed out into the world. That shouldn't be what you're trying to do. You should be trying to take advantage of what is going on within culture, what is going on within society, aka TikTok, where people are spending the majority of their time, and fit that into your niche, and that is how you're ultimately going to be successful, 1, and 2, stay successful. Because a really good way to get really bad at TikTok is by just putting out random stuff, as opposed to actually getting really good at staying what is on trend, be it broadly on TikTok or within your niche, so that you're able to constantly take advantage of that. Because there's always going to be organic reach on TikTok if you're able to create content that is different or create content that is better within the lines of something that is actually trending on TikTok. And for the love of God, when something works, you need to keep doing it over and over and over again. I've literally helped hundreds of creators gain over 1 million followers on TikTok, and every single one of them has gained over 1 million followers by finding a post that works and then continuing to do that post over and over and over again. That is how you're going to be successful. But if your post isn't the right length and you're not hitting the right watch time metrics, then everything I shared with you in this video doesn't mean anything, because your video is going nowhere. Ideally right now, your videos should be from 7 to 13 seconds long, 18 to 21 seconds long, and then 37 to 45 seconds long. Those are the 3 best post lengths right now on TikTok. If your posts aren't doing well, then you should be making them within those guidelines, ideally on the shorter end, and then try to make longer form content. So many small creators try to make long form content and then go to short form content, and then see a lot of success with the short form content. Skip the long form stuff. Why do you guys want to make this hard on yourself? Just make the short form content. That's what's actually working on TikTok and what gets pushed out in almost every single niche. In addition to that, you need to make sure that at least 60% of people are completing your videos. Now I know that seems really high, it's what you should be aiming for, but you could get away with getting 40 to 50% if you're hitting these watch time metrics. For videos less than 13 seconds long, over 100%. For videos 14 to 21 seconds long, 90%. For videos 21 to 30 seconds long, 80%. And for anything over 40 seconds long, you need to be aiming for 60% watch time. Now you're probably wondering, Rob, how on earth can I get that much watch time? It's by choosing the right topic, making your hooks, and actually actually paying attention to what people are interacting with on TikTok, because you need to understand something. If you want to be successful, it's going to come down to you simply paying attention to what is trending. This means the trending sounds, the trending lengths, trending topics, trending hook ideas, and everything that is trending both within your niche and broadly on TikTok. You can listen to everything that I just shared with you, but if you're not posting your videos at the right time, your videos are not going to be successful. Lucky for you, I just created a video about the best time to post on TikTok for this current TikTok algorithm update, so please check out the video I'm going to put up on the screen next. It's going to tell you the best time to post. I strongly suggest you check it out if you're serious about growing on TikTok.